4 years after he was repeatedly stabbed in the back and paralyzed from the chest down, Derek Fidker is able to walk again. These are small and tentative steps, but ones that have transformed the life of this 38-year-old and given hope to millions of others. To fix this break in his spine, the Anglo-Polish team used stem cells from inside Derek's nasal cavity. Stem cells from the nose, known as the olfactory bulbs, were then harvested and implanted into the damaged area. The doctors then took several strips of nerve tissue from his ankle and placed them across the spinal cord. The idea is that the ankle nerves and the cells act as a bridge, enabling the nerve fibers to meet and grow.
What's different about the nerve fibers in the nose, and that is, unlike the rest of our nervous system, those fibers are replaced continually throughout life. The second is, if they are cut, new fibers grow back across the cut and establish function and connections. So the system is one that is in a state of continuous turnover and continuous repair. In the spinal cord, when you damage it, it can't repair itself.
6 months after the surgery, Derek Fidker was able to do this. 4 years later, he can apparently do so much more.
He can now walk with a walker. He can drive a car. He was completely in a wheelchair. He can go out hunting in the forest with his friends, which was his hobby. His home life, his married life has come back to wonderful. The way he put it is, it was like being born again. And that's something very nice for me to think about, more than the science.
But several independent experts contacted by CNN say it's hard to tell if the apparent success was a cell transplant or the intensive physical therapy. These doctors say this research could be a game changer, but maybe not. They say one thing that played in Fidker's favour: his spinal cord was only partially severed. More tests are needed.
It remains to be seen if this is just a single isolated incident where the way the injury presented in this particular individual made him an excellent candidate for this new approach. And so the proof is in the pudding, so to speak, where it's going to be necessary to see if similar results are obtained from other people with the more common types of injuries that people with spinal cord injury experience.
While this is only one clinical trial, it could be an historical and successful step in beating a condition that until now was believed to be permanent. Isa Suarez, CNN, London.